Do you want to know the text that unleashes a love that you never thought possible, a love that you only experienced as a teenager, a love so deep and profound that he will never look or think of other women ever again? This is Rickard's Reviews video edition of His Secret Obsession. This is a dating product for women. If you want to get all the nitty-gritty details, hang tight. But before we dive into the content, please subscribe to this news channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like what I'm doing here. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload videos here on YouTube. Now, what is this Secret Obsession? This is basically a program for women who wants to save their relationship, and they will do this by triggering something called the hero instinct in the man they love. Because if you do that, and if you let him be the superhero and the knight in shining armor or Prince Charming or whatever makes sense to you, then you want to listen to this review till the very end. If you want to know all the details about it, then you have to hit the first link in the description below, and you will be taken to the video that explains this in further details. Now, what is a Secret Obsession? It's a dating program by James Bauer, a relationship coach with 12 years of experience, and he noticed that certain texts were triggering certain emotions in a man's brain, and he noticed that the women who used these templates or words, phrases, they were actually the lucky ones, because they could find the love they both deserve and desire, and now he's offering you the same thing. So you can use it on Facebook, Messenger, Twitter, Instagram, any kind of app, or even on your own phone, and just text him this 12-word phrase. It's a simple 12-word phrase. And I have already talked about the 12 words, and now I will talk a little bit about the hero instinct. Because when you say these, when you activate this, it's as easy as flipping a switch. Every woman can do it, so you can do it too. No worries. The video will explain everything. That's the first video in the description below. And if you want to bring it out and get the love that you deserve and desire and want, then click the first link in the video below. And with this being said, this is Rickard's Reviews, signing off for now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell or subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye.